Hey, welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Watching Jeff's Garage Adventures. If you haven't checked out his channel, always doing reviews and talking about tools. Lots of cool stuff. Real good videos. He got Crom something. So I figured I'd give it a shot. Not expensive at all. I'm gonna find out whether it holds at last, but let's check it out. Oh, here it is. Made in Taiwan. Got some decent weight to it. Not ultralight like I thought. Doesn't feel like it's gonna flex, but not loud, clunky. It's fairly stiff on the pivot point. Does have a Torx to snug it up. Gonna have to check it out, see how it plays out. Just from first glance, this might actually be a decent little company. Here it is with one of my Astro Nanos. Goes in, but seems a little soft on the retention ring because it doesn't quite bite the same as say the Astro Nano or Astro. It takes a lot more on the ring. You can see their ring protrudes a little bit better than this one. But I know it's not theirs, but I still think it should work fine. So it's got just enough resistance. I think it'll hold. I think it'll work fine. As you can see, it'll hold on its own. It's not coming off. So I already have Astro's extra large ones. I just needed a smaller handled one. So I figured I'd give Crom, not sure how to pronounce their name yet. Figured I'd give them a shot. But like I said, it holds it in. It's got a decent retention on the head. It's not loose and sloppy like I expected. Appreciate it, everybody that subscribes and watches. Everybody that have a good day. I know this is different from my normal, but like I said before, check out Jeff's Garage Adventures. You'll always find interesting different tools, new tool companies. So, gonna give them a shot. So far, without using it yet. I mean, just got it out of the box, but I think it might work for me. So everybody have a good day. Enjoy. See you next time around. Later.